Welcome to our T&C channel. Today we are exploring Hatta Heritage Village, one of the oldest and most beautifully preserved heritage sites in the UAE. Just after entering Hatta Heritage Village, you'll find a few local shops near the entrance. We were lucky to visit on a special day. A local festive dance was taking place right inside the village. Men dressed in traditional Emirati clothing performed to the rhythm of drums and chants, celebrating the rich culture and unity of the region. It was a truly authentic experience, filled with energy, pride, and joy, a perfect reminder of how deeply traditions are still alive here in Hatta. The best part, entry is completely free, inviting everyone to step back in time and experience the traditional Emirati lifestyle. As you walk through, you'll feel like you've entered another era, surrounded by stone houses, watchtowers, and pathways that whisper stories of the past. Every corner here reflects the authentic charm of old Hatta, simple, peaceful, and full of culture. Stay with us as we explore the village, discover ancient architecture, and feel the spirit of Emirati history come alive. Just beside the village, you'll find a spot of pure natural beauty, a stream of fresh mountain water flowing gently through the rocks. This natural water source has been part of Hatta's life for centuries, once used by locals for farming and daily living. Hatta Heritage Village is one of the oldest historical sites in the United Arab Emirates, beautifully restored to showcase the traditional life of the mountain communities. It dates back to around 200 years, and today it stands as a proud reminder of Emirati culture and craftsmanship. The village features ancient houses, forts, watchtowers, and a traditional majlis, all made from mud, stone, and palm materials, exactly how they were built in the past. Inside, you'll also find old tools, weapons, pottery, and farming equipment, offering a glimpse into the daily life of people who once lived here. As we walk further inside, we come across the farming areas that once played a vital role in village life. Here, locals grew date palms, wheat, and other crops, using traditional irrigation systems known as falai to bring water from the mountains. These farms are a beautiful reminder of how the people of Hatta lived in harmony with nature, using simple, smart methods to survive in the desert climate. Even today, the green patches and palm trees add a refreshing contrast to the rocky mountain surroundings, showing the resilience and creativity of the early settlers. As you walk deeper inside, you can truly feel the atmosphere of the old village life, quiet, simple, and deeply connected to the land and community. It's like stepping back in time, where every path leads you closer to the heart of Hatta's heritage. Let's keep exploring the surrounding area of Hatta Heritage Village. Around the village, you'll find beautiful mountain landscapes, traditional stone houses, and open spaces that give a glimpse of what life once looked like in this peaceful valley. The blend of heritage and nature here is truly breathtaking. Ancient walls standing strong beside palm trees and mountain views that stretch far into the horizon. Every corner of Hatta has something unique to offer, making it a perfect destination for history lovers, photographers, and nature seekers alike. This is such a beautiful spot to be close to nature, surrounded by the peaceful sound of the wind, the mountains, and the charm of Old Hatta. It's the perfect place to relax, take photos, and capture memories that reflect the true beauty of Emirati heritage and landscape. Every view here feels timeless, a mix of history, culture, and nature coming together in one stunning scene. As time was running out and the sky slowly turned darker, we decided to head back to the town. As we end our visit, we're lucky to catch the traditional Emirati dance once again. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll take you to a new and exciting place. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.